Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, I've been asked the question, does the game controller mode work on the NB4 Pro Plus? I know it was quite a popular video when I shown it working on the NB4 Pro and it was pretty easy to set up. So, has the NB4 Pro Plus got an issue with the game handle mode? Bring in for a close-up look. We'll use the same controller that's listed as compatible and see how we get on. So basically all we should have to do to get this to work is if we go into our settings, USB functionality should, I believe, be set to USB function, not trainer mode, but we'll have to try that, see if it makes a difference. And then basically all we should have to do is go into game handle mode and then connect our Xbox controller with the USB and the power base turned on. So we're getting the error message, what's telling us it's got nothing connected even though we've got power to this games controller. Now, just to show you that the games controller actually does work, so this is a standard one, so this is the normal Pro, and if we just plug in as games controller, we turn it on, we can go to display controls and we can see everything's functioning, so every single button all works. Even as menu buttons, as push buttons. So we can definitely say the controller works. So there's no reason, it's not that it's not compatible. And I don't believe they've changed the compatibility list. But let's have a look, see if there's anything else we can do. So if we go to menu, USB setup, change it to trainer mode maybe. So it does power up the controller. But yeah, just saying no game device connected. I can try and see if they've moved controllability to the USB-C with the USB on the go cable. I don't think that's the case. No, so we're not even getting any power, not getting anything light up at all. We do get it light up if we just plug it in that way. Don't think that's going to make any difference at all. No. So yeah, the only thing I can say at the moment, I have had a few guys message me now saying can I have a look and see if this works, because they know that it did work with me other setup. But at the minute, it certainly looks to me like the NB4 Pro Plus, be it the firmware or the base battery, just doesn't work. We can eliminate whether it's the actual base battery. So if we swap that between the two transmitters, so we know game handle mode worked with this base battery on the original Pro. So if we swap base batteries and this is the Pro, that now looks like it works. Which is interesting. So, is there actually a fault with the base battery, is this what's causing us issue. So if we put this onto the original Pro that we know worked fine, yep, so not sure how they're going to fix this. It looks like the actual base battery is the issue. Now, whether this is just an oversight or something that can be fixed with a firmware update, but certainly it was intended to have the functionality, because we've got it on the actual transmitter as an option. And if we put the original Pro's battery on the Pro Plus, then the handle mode works perfect. But as soon as we swap back, as soon as we put the Pro's base back on it, the Pro Plus's base back on it, should I say, it then doesn't work. Hopefully this is something that can be fixed with a firmware update, but I will reach out to Flysky for you guys. If not, it seems a shame that they've put this functionality on and the base battery doesn't actually support it. I don't think it's something that they were moving over to the USB-C port. I've tried it with an on-the-go cable and that doesn't give it any functionality. But yeah, hopefully this is something they can fix with a firmware update, because I know quite a few people, especially controlling robotics and that, finding this really useful. But yeah, I will reach out to Flysky and I'll keep you guys posted. But let's wrap this one up. So there we have it. The game handle mode on the actual Pro Plus radio works, but only if you put the original Pro battery on it. The Pro Plus battery with USB-C doesn't work with game handle mode, or I can't get it to work. I've tried a USB on the go from the USB-C cable. I've tried as a normal USB port. Doesn't work. And also this battery doesn't work if I fit it on the original Pro. As soon as I put the original Pro battery on the Plus, it works. So for me, there's either something wrong with the battery itself. I'm not even sure if they're able to do firmware updates for that, or whether it's something in production, some pins aren't connected that should be. Be interesting to find out what happens with this one. And as soon as I get out back from Flysky or a workaround, I will let you know. But thanks for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.